different.
Can I hear your thoughts?
I didn't know how automated a toilet could be. Buttons for everything.
Did you stand there and just look confused for a long time?
Yep.
I did the same thing.
Like, oh, lock the door. You don't have a knob. It's a button. And to open the door back up, another button.
Also,
to use the sink.
The toilet seat, you can push a button to raise or lower the toilet seat. Okay, hold on just a second. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 of our European travels on Dynamic Disc YouTube channel, go do that first. Here are the links. And then come back here and enjoy the rest of our adventure. I just forced Eric to go into this bathroom. Everything is automated and very confusing, and I didn't tell him anything about it. I just told him he should go in here, and I want to see what his experience was like, because for me it was baffling and I didn't understand anything. When they flush or you can hit a button, underneath the entire floor, like water just goes underneath the floor, like rinses the whole thing. That was like the weirdest bathroom experience I've ever had. You guys remember how much I love farmers markets? So why not do one in Finland?
Try some? There you go. Finnish strawberries are famous.
Just put it in your mouth.
Oh, put it in your mouth.
You're good. Thank you so much.
We should get some of those.
Okay. They have little boxes with different fruits. Get Temu.
Donkey Konky.
Okay, so we're here. We're in our room, which I will show you when I decide to get up. It's tiny, and we're sharing it with Seth. So I already feel a little funny. Yeah, I'm just, you know, like Bobby Brown always says, keep it real. But I feel really weird. I'm assuming this is what people call jet lag, but I feel like garbage. I slept like 30 minutes on the plane, and then when I got here, I was just like panicking because I don't have any food, but I couldn't go play. I like needed some sleep, and we just have this tiny room, so it like made me feel super crazy. So Eric and Eagle and them went to play, and now I just want coffee and food and a shower. It was only a 9-hour flight, but the timing of it was just very peculiar for my brain. It'll get better, I'm sure. It's just weird to be here and not be excited about it. Have you ever seen Birdemic? Eric, didn't I show you the trailer for Birdemic?
No.
It looks like this, but fake.
Yeah?
It's just birds everywhere going crazy, trying to kill everybody.
Birds.
Eric's pastry of choice. These are everywhere and they're unreal.
Cinnamon,
Samus,
right? Mm-hmm.
strawberries, cream,
Mm-hmm.
pastry,
So good.
and fresh squeezed orange juice. And this blob of caramel, cheese, and sugar.
What's up, Shug?
These are macaroons. They look crazy. What are we doing today?
We are in Turku.
Turku.
Turku. I can't roll my R's. It's something I haven't been able to do since I was a kid. But we're in Turku. We're going to Power Grip for a meet and greet, and then we're going to, what's the course, Samu? Lausten. And we're gonna play some frisbee golf. They call it frisbee golf here because it makes more sense.
And meet some people?
And meet a lot of people and hang out and go eat food and do awesome stuff. Oh, really? Yeah. And that's it.
Väinö in the left, Janne top of,
Down the middle.
Topias Jokinen on the left,
Yeah, Junior players.
and Mikael Hakola.
You need more discs, Eric?
Always.
Living out of a car this week.
My shoes. Can't play in these. I can, but I don't.
What? You need to do something right now? Are you trying to do something?
Yeah.
What are you trying to do?
Just close. Unreal.
36 plus?
38.
38?
Hey, can I get that?
Of course. Squidward. Nice.
I see.
First off, we want to thank you guys for all coming out. This is a really cool opportunity for us, especially to see what Finland has to offer as far as frisbee golf goes. We're really lucky to be here, and we just want to thank you guys so much for making it out. Hopefully you guys can all understand me. I really hope so. So I want everybody just grab one disc to start, and give yourself a little bit of space so you're not hitting anyone. Round your head, nice and slow. 4 or 5 one direction, and then do 4 or 5 the other direction.
That was fun.
Yeah, it really was. Some of these youngsters and Finns have perfect form. It's crazy to watch.
Most of them.
I know. It blows my mind.
We had so much fun. We had a lot of people show up.
Yeah, so thank you, Turku. That was super fun. You know, Finland has been amazing so far, and we're ready for the next stop.
Oh my goodness. We actually have a little bit of time to ourselves. Eric thinks he knows where he's going. We're supposed to, this is Nygaten. It's also Nygaten according to the map. We don't know where we're going.
Nope. We know nothing.
We found this little park that's not like 15-minute walk from our hotel, our apartment, right?
Because it has a kitchen.
Because it has a kitchen. Every hotel and hostel that we've been to has 2 twin beds, or 3. So
Put them together.
push them together because they're like tiny little.
There's no way we're
I
not
don't-
snuggling.
Are they even twin beds? They're like smaller than twin beds. They're tiny.
Yeah, they're...
But it's been pretty affordable. We spent under $100 for every night. Maybe close to 100, but not too much. Not too bad.
Yeah.
So we're in Sweden now. They use Swedish crowns here as payment, which is like triple euros.
But it's the same value. It's just everything.
Pretty much add a
everything
decimal
looks,
point.
Yeah, everything looks like it's
360. Whoa! And it's like, oh, it's $36. Okay.
No big deal.
Yeah. So it's been really nonstop, which is good, but like more so than what we do in the States. And I think we do a lot when we're in the States.
Yeah, what we're trying to cram is like much time as possible into 4 weeks, and that includes 2 big giant tournaments.
Right.
So.
Teemu's been amazing driving us around the countries. So we have a couple more events, some stuff at Latitude 64 this weekend, and then going down to Stockholm for my birthday. So yeah, that should be fun. I'm excited to do a little bit of other stuff. Not that I don't love disc golf, but man, my poor shoulder needs a break, and my little brain does too. I'm so tired. I'm very tired. So we're gonna go to this park. You guys, what did we find?
Robots. IMO. It's an IMO. Are you kidding me?
It's a Roomba for your grass. Do we have these in the States?
This is amazing.
Look how slow it is though. I'm sure it's battery powered, right?
Probably.
Whoa. I'm so impressed. In Sweden, thank you is tack.
Tack. And
In Finland,
Finnish. It's Kiitos.
so if you forget which country you're in, you end up saying
Taquitos. Now we're very far from Mexico, I feel like.
it folded.
We did it so good.
Yeah!
Let's go.
Tell me about Swedish Fika.
So Swedish Fika is like a coffee and pastry break that they take anywhere from like almost 3 times a day. Everybody just stops working and has Fika.
Fika Fika! We got our Fika. We came to the museum, and first things first, cafe with coffee. We're all running out of energy, so, but we still want to explore. Gotta do what you gotta do. Today's an adventure day. I finally got my adventure day. We are in Stockholm. We've got Eric, Disc Golf Strong Seth, Victor and his wife,
Cici?
and we are going to the Vasa Museum, Vasa Museet, which is like one of the most suggested places to visit. And then also behind us, right there,
Really close to it.
there is a Nordic museum. So we're gonna try to do both of those today. And we walked around Old Town, which you'll see a compilation of. Otherwise, please join us for a little tour of the Vasa Museum.